Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix a Whirlpool freezer that's not freezing. Watch the video until the end to learn this and much more. Common reasons why your Whirlpool freezer isn't freezing include inappropriate setting controls, poor airflow due to freezer over-congestion and frost buildup, dirty condenser coils. Now, let's look at how to resolve the issue. Set the freezer to the appropriate temperatures. Whirlpool recommends freezer temperatures of 0 degrees Fahrenheit and below. However, you may set your freezer to a slightly different temperature, higher or lower, depending on its surroundings. Decongest and defrost your freezer. Clear out the freezer shelves to maximize airflow. Store just as many items in your freezer as the size of its shelves allow. With cleared shelves, wipe down exposed sections to remove dirt, food particles, or dust. Also, manually break down built-up ice to defrost the unit. Clean the condenser coils. This process is model-specific. Refer to your user manual for a specific procedure that'll apply to your unit. And there you have it. That's how you fix a Whirlpool freezer that's not freezing. Thanks for watching. Till next time.